Welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for the Facebook. Alright, the very first step you need to do is open your web browser and type facebook.com. Alright, so this is the blank home page that will appear whenever you type facebook.com. Alright, so yeah, if you have like username and password, you can simply log in from here. And in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can sign up. So what we need to do is we need to fill up this form. So let's get started. So I'll pick up the very trending name, and then I'll took the last name, and then I will took my email. Even you can sign up using your mobile number, but I'll just pick the email. So my email is corona march 2019 @gmail.com. So yeah, so I will just re-enter this email and then I will enter my password. Okay, so I will took this birth date April 7th 1995, but make sure you entered your correct birth date, so you know your friends can remind you, wish you on your birthday. And at the final you have to pick up your gender, so I would just pick the male. So yeah, once you fill up this form correctly, then click on this sign up. So yeah, I'll just confirm, yeah, that's my birthday. Okay, so I think we are almost there. So once you click on that button, uh, it will ask you to enter the code which you received in your email. So let me check my email. So this is the code 91399. Okay, 91399. All right, so then I'll just click on this continue option. So this is the kind of verification. So account is confirmed. You have successfully confirmed your account with this email. You will use this email address to log in. All right, so we are signed up almost. So there isn't, this content is not available right now. So now our account is created. As you can see, this is the new sign up account. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching.